Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, My Thing. Today I'll be doing a video of how to make slime out of blue tack. So, first of all, what we'll be needing is obviously blue tack. You'll be needing some soap. I'm using this soap here. And a pot to put it in. I'm using this pot. So first of all, what you want to do is obviously get your blue tack. Use as much as you like. You don't have to use much, but I'm using this much. You want to start off by kneading it, so you get it quite more stretchier and a bit kneaded, but that won't do the thing. Now you want to grab your soap and just squirt it in. You don't want too much. I've added too much of it in one before, and it literally goes like really bad cloud slime, like when it leaves lots of residue on your hand. So then you want to start kneading it in, and it is a bit tough at the beginning, but trust me, it does get way more stretchy. So I can already feel that it's getting more tough. You just have to like literally be perseverant. And I'm not going to do any pausing on this video because I want you to see how long it actually takes. But yeah. It's really cool because all you need is one ingredient, which is soap. And I'm not sure what it has to have in it, but it just has to be soap, I think, because I have tried a lot of different soaps and it works. So I don't really think it matters, but as you can see, it's getting more stretchier. You don't want to add too much soap, like I said, because it gets really like on your hands and all that. But anyway, if it does go like that, you just leave it out to dry on like the windowsill or something like that overnight. And you keep adding more soap. And also, if you want to see other videos like this on how to make slime, just comment down below. And also comment on what other videos you would like to see, because I'm getting a bit stuck of what to do videos. And when I get to 15 subscribers, I'm going to make a gigantic slime, and I'm going to teach you how. So you better comment down below and subscribe on this video, so then I'll make a gigantic slime. And I already have either 10 or 11 subscribers, so thank you so much. So as you can see now, it's really came together. I'm going to add a little more, and once I've kneaded this thing, I think you need maybe 7 pumps or 6 or 8. I'm not sure if you need any more, but I got this soap from Asda, but literally this blue tack is turned into slime. You can feel it, and you can also do this with it, which you can't do with blue tack normally, can you? You can't make the pokes noise, but it's much more stretchier than blue tack. See? This is what slime does. Blue tack does not usually do that. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, and hit that big notification bell to never miss one of my videos. Goodbye!